My name is Goshka Macuga, and I have made a new work for the exhibition here about room dividers. Looking at the great history of Paraventi, I was naturally more drawn to more political expressions rather than just decorative expressions. The work is like a room divider, Paraventi, or a screen. It consists of 3 different metal detectors and 6 collections of books. I thought that it was quite a funny shift to transition these gates or the sort of border control devices into something that can withhold these ideas of knowledge and cultural heritage. On one side of the metal detector made into a bookshelf, there are books from Palestine. On the other, books from Israel. In the second section, I have books from Ukraine. And then on the other side of the sections are books from Russia. And the last section, but not the least, are the books from Taiwan. And on the other side are books from China. There's a lot of connection within these countries that are in conflict. They share history and they share culture, but yet the boundaries or the kind of limitations are completely impossible to resolve. The work kind of very much tries to question this, and it tries to, in a way, maybe indicate some kind of possibility of projecting into it. It's more about endless possibilities which are embedded in knowledge rather than this kind of limitation of relationships or crossing borders or crossing thresholds.